What's up, fam? So I am back at the warehouse place. I think this is familiar if y'all watched the other vlogs. So I'm back here now. I was picking out the floor, and I'm gonna show you guys the floor that I picked out. I was originally gonna go with this floor right here. This was the floor I was gonna go with. This was at $1.59. But then I chose to go with this floor right here. This floor reminds me of the floor that's like in my house. It's super thick, and it has a padding on the back. And so yeah, and it's the best floor that they got here. So I'm gonna go with that. Normally it's okay not to go with the best, but again, this house is paid off. I want equity in the house. I'm not trying to go cheap, and I'm not trying to redo the work. They had other floors that was like close to $1 per square feet. This was $1.19, but as you can see, like it got the padding, but the padding don't look the same, and it's just like more flimsy. You know what I'm saying? So versus if you go over here and you got this pattern, you can clearly see the difference in it. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, man, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna also get the shower towel for here too, because they did the tub and they put the stuff around the shower. They put the little shower nook in, and so I'm gonna also get the shower towel too. Hey, if y'all new to this channel, man, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. I'm dropping these videos showing you guys the renovation process of this property. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then also check out the link in the bio for the $20 membership. I'm gonna show you guys the toweling as well.
What store do you like?
Right here. So yeah, I think we need 9 boxes of this. Yeah, and so this is gonna be for the shower as well. And then I already got the floor. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. And whatever else I need, I'm about to go back to the house at 3, meet my guy to see what else material we need to buy, because we need to knock this project out, man. I went there yesterday, and it just, stuff wasn't, you know what I'm saying? We need to get this on the road, because I need this done by, by the end of the month, to be honest. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna take you guys along as we, purchase this stuff, and yeah, let you guys know what type of material I'm purchasing. Putting that Cybertruck to use, bro. So we got the floor, and we got the ceramic for the bathroom right now. And yeah, it's just one step at a time, man. All right, y'all, we back at the spot. I'm gonna let them get that stuff out, because that stuff heavy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But we back at the spot, man. I was talking to the contractor about the stuff that we gonna do so far. So a couple of things that we came up with right now is we brought the stuff in right there. Bro was telling me how we're not gonna put another window over here in this corner. We're just gonna put drywall on Monday. They're gonna do all the installation, stuff like that, and then they're gonna put all the fix all the drywall, all the holes in the wall. We got the electrician doing it. Ouch. We got the electrician doing a can light. I think I stepped on something, y'all. We got the electrician doing a can light right now. We're gonna put this window over there. It was a little bit big, but let me get out of here. That'll be a lot of light that's gonna come in. And then, man, I think something went through these Crocs, y'all. Shouldn't be wearing Crocs on a work situation. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then, yeah, after that, we for sure gonna move that over there. We're gonna move that plumbing over on Monday. And then we're gonna do a dishwasher. A dishwasher in the kitchen. We're gonna put a microwave on top of the stove, put an island in there. I'm interested to see how much this stuff costs, man. Today for the flooring, I think I paid like $2,200 or something like that for the flooring, and I got some pretty good quality flooring. I think it's the same like quality flooring that's in my current home. So it was the highest quality they had. I think I said earlier, you don't have to do that. But for me, I don't want to keep rehabbing to do these projects when people move out and stuff like that, because I think I've been in places where you can tell there was cheap floor, and then somebody else going to have to redo it anyway. I don't want to do that, because I plan on keeping this stuff for a long time. I might as well put the money in it now versus like trying to be cheap and then do it later. So that's just my logic behind it. You don't have to do that, but I'd rather put the money in up front and then later on. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm up here right now after this. Probably gotta get home, take care of the kids, man. Just wanted to show y'all that. I think I'm gonna put a swing up here too, y'all. I think I'm gonna put a swing right there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna ask bro about it. Once you got the phone, definitely probably put a swing up, drop a little bit of flavor to it. So, yeah, man. All right. Well, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget, man, and the $20 membership. I think I'm gonna make some more videos for the membership today, actually, about credit and about renovation and stuff. So Join the 20 membership, man. Link be in the description box down below, man. If you want to make money, be your own entrepreneur, man. I teach people how to be entrepreneurs. I teach people how to make money. So that's what I'll do, man. So tap in if y'all want to be a part of the movement, man. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.